Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower or the upper button. Once the screen wakes up, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find anything that interests you, you can simply tap on the watch face to select it and apply it. I don't know, maybe for example this one. And as you can see, once you select it, it will be applied. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. And there you have a bit more options. So if you bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zap application. In the app, you should see the home page. Okay, fine, I have the permission. You should see the home page. Now we can tap on device, and here you should see your Balance 2 XT. Under it, you will see this category called watch faces, and you can tap on it. And here we have the watch face store. Basically, you can download additional watch faces on your watch. And to do that, you simply find the watch face right here in the store. Some of them are, basically you have different categories. You have, some of them are free. For some of them, you need to pay for, as you can see. So look for something you like. And once you find the watch face you enjoy, you can simply tap on it. Oh, no, this one. Maybe this one. You can tap on the watch face, you can tap on sync. It will start downloading and then start uploading to your watch. And once it's done, it should be applied. Like this. And if you just want to change the watch face between the or from the watch faces that already are on your watch, you can tap on the main category right here in the store, and you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it, and it will be applied almost immediately. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.